Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome here to Columbus, Ohio. It is day 2 of Ace Spade Rally. I am hopping in the 997 GT3 RS. We're just waiting around for Damon, and on cue, there he is. What's up, what's up? Morning. How's it going? How are the donuts?
What donut?
Exactly. For some reason, Damon is in front, and he has no idea where we're going. I can't hear anymore! If I told you I knew what we were doing today or where we were going, that would be a complete lie. We are flipping a U-turn, I think, for the second time today. We have no idea. We have a sizable crowd here in Columbus, and Damon is going to be performing some form of a acrobatic donut that only Damon can do best. I think Damon's doing donuts.
Around who?
Well, I don't know if around you.
Oh.
Around you. I'm just chilling. Watch out for the wing. There's nothing like the smell of fresh rubber early in the morning. We are headed off to Tennessee. So you see these bits right here? So at one point about 8 seconds ago, these were kind of like so. So yeah, I think we're gonna have to get Damon some new tires soon. See ya. 2 hours later, finally, we're leaving Columbus. Damon has new tires. Also, that AMG GTR, I think that's the sickest AMG I've ever seen. We need to do a full walk around soon. And when I say soon, maybe in Cincinnati, that's where we're headed. We have found ourselves somewhere in the Ohio mountains following the Liberty Walk of Ventador, carving canyons just like a Liberty Walk was designed to do. Obviously, I'm being sarcastic, but man, Girth Nation. This thing is so sick. Man, you guys are having yourselves a whole week. Check this thing out. Also note, we have to be very careful because she spits flames. I hear, the rumor is, this thing will spit 3 to 4 foot flames. So maybe today, if not today, definitely tomorrow, we're gonna capture that. I've ordered my food, I'm waiting for it, but we have the Liberty Walk of Ventador. A pre-appetizer before the bacon cheeseburger, if you will. Thank you so much. Five Guys was amazing. I didn't do a very good job filming it, and for that I'm sorry, but I think we might slowly be transitioning into the nap vlog.
Oh. Really good.
What?
Yeah, actually, in my car I have a razor blade. It's in the glove.
What did we hit?
Nothing. The wind caught it and ripped it. There you go. Let's hook this up. Now, here.
Zip Tie Squad is growing in numbers right now.
Zip Tie Squad.
The Zip Tie Squad. If you guys have not seen Damon's front splitter on his vlogs, well, he's using the zip tie method as well. I'm not 100% sure how that happened, but this bracket right here kind of bent, and we think the wind, when we were approaching 55 miles per hour, basically just bent the bumper off. So Anthony just noted, it feels lighter. It definitely feels lighter. We are dropping weight right now. We are not on radios right now, so everybody behind us is like, their bumper's hanging off, their bumper. We had no idea, but we're good. Welcome to Cincinnati, Ohio. Great American Ballpark right there. We got views on views. We are losing front splitters left and right. Ooh. Oh. Do you guys remember about 39 seconds earlier in the vlog when I was showcasing Damon's front splitter? We had a casualty. We lost a chunk. You know, I kind of feel guilty. I didn't give the splitter a moment of silence. It's kind of too late, but at the same time, moment of silence. Sorry, Damon. I know it's my fault, Damon. I'm so sorry. Whoa, taking off the glasses. The shade
too late,
is insane right now.
It's too late.
Maybe if you would have done a better job with the zip ties.
What?
Whoa.
What?
Sorry, whoa. Yeah. Also the radiator is fully exposed now. If you're from Ohio, I love you. We lost a lot of parts in Ohio though. We lost half of a bumper. You can see the Klein titanium exhaust though now, and then Damon lost half his front splitter too. But we're now in Kentucky, and so, well, our luck, well, we should be lucky here in Kentucky. We're just losing parts left and right. The front splitter on the Liberty Walk Aventador has been left in Kentucky. First Ohio and now Kentucky. Are you kidding me? We got round two. Round two. Party time. And Dave is just there cleaning the windows as he does so
co-pilot,
well.
You can never be distracted by anything.
What you want, what you want, what you gonna do?
Speed limit is 55 here, guys, just so you know, 55.
That's right. As always, we always keep it right under 55. More cops, so we're stopping again. We're just gonna chill.
There's a cop, state trooper ahead, pulled over as well, waiting for us.
A cop just pulled in front of us onto the freeway, so we just pulled over, and then he pulled over. He's like a quarter mile in front of us, so now it's a waiting game. Who's gonna be more patient? Anthony, he's a patient man.
I'm a very patient man.
He's a very, very patient, and Damon also is a patient man. We have a lot of patience. We have nowhere to be, nowhere to go. So one of the key things about the A-Spade Rally, we are the most patient rally in the world. So I don't know if you can see, right there, there's a cop just chilling. And we're just chilling. There's no way that cop is gonna back down the highway, and there's a median in the middle. So if he turns around and comes this way, we all get in our cars and we bounce that way, and well, yeah. There's the AMG GTR. Slow, 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 slow down. All right, this is gonna be curious now. All right, we're rolling.
He's still pulled over, hasn't pulled on yet.
He's still waiting. I think we're good. I think we're good. God, are you kidding me? We have arrived here to Knoxville in style. There's 85 cars on A-Spade Rally. AMG GTR, what's up? We got the Ford GT. Hey, where you been? I don't know, we've been everywhere. Where have you guys been? I'm getting tickets here. That's right, no tickets today. No tickets today, at least not yet. The night is still young. I don't know how, but somehow Damon has not been pulled over yet. Also, a quick update, the Radical has made it all the way here to Tennessee. What a hero, what a mate. I don't know how he survived riding in this proper race car. Check this thing out. Those are carbon-packed single-piece seats. He just drove like 700 miles over the last 2 days. That is nuts. Dude, are you guys driving this? Can I shake your hand? Well done. How's it been? How's your back?
Oh, that's we found me laying on the ground over there.
Okay, yeah, stretch it out for sure. 7 hours later, we have made it to beautiful Knoxville, Tennessee. We are staying somewhere right up there at the penthouse. A long day. We kind of scattered car parts across America. We lost 2 front splitters. We lost a back bumper, but everybody made it. This is kind of moot at this point, but without further ado, moment of silence. I don't try to predict the future, but for some reason, I feel as though there may be a rev battle at some point here very, very soon. And as you guys know, she spits flames. Is it now? Is this happening right now? All right, here we go. Headphone users, be careful, be cautious. These are important. Hello.
We've been challenged to rev off.
Okay. Alright, so the cars are great and all, but we are headed to the Cheesecake Factory for today's food vlog. Oh man, I can smell the I can't actually smell the cheesecake, but I'd like to think I can. And that is going to effectively end day 2 of Ace Spade Rally. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.